Let's eat. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hello, babies. Hello, mama. Hello, mama. Hello, mama.
Look there. Look there. Look there, mommy.
Nah. Tsutsurei. Tsutsunei. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Inside.
They just had 2 days ago. They had the second vaccine, so we're waiting and hoping that in about 2 more weeks, at the third vaccine, they'll be immune and with no fear of parvo. Of course, there are other dangers. Like I've just had to help somebody and drive somebody with a mix of a Dogo Argentino to confirm the distemper diagnosis. And that's not a noise. What are you doing? What are you doing? So there's always lots of risks involved. But they will continue their scheme, and the first step was to get them immune from parvo, as the risk is much higher with the puppies, so small. And we're looking bright so far. They've been blessed with being isolated here and having the risks minimized. Somebody's still going on Mama's titties. You're a big boy now. As you can see, the mother is trying to win them. So, and they're eating well. And this means very soon she's going to go under. She's going to be scheduled and go under the surgery, both for spaying and for fixing whatever we can fix of that leg that she has broken. Oh, that's an owl. That's not a puppy, that's an owl. Julie, you can see your girl is doing fine, and she wants to eat and be a puppy. And look at that one. Look at that one. Of course, after their meal is done, they're still going for Mama's milk, and you can see how big they are now, and that she's really not able to cope with such big babies. Such big babies. They are twice her size now, if you put them all together. She's such a good mama. Lucky babies. Lucky babies and such a good mama. The little piglets. Little piglets. Leave her alone. Really? Really? Poor mama. Poor mama. Poor mama with a horrible, horrible, horrible leg. It's a callus here. Oh, I think I know what happened. The broken bone has fused with the side of the other broken bone. This is why she's still able to use it, and that bone is sticking out like that. So I'm sure it needs to be broken and fixed if it's possible. Hello! I can see now that is something very wrong there, very wrong, but I'm not very wrong. I'm such a darling, such a fatso. Burp. Don't squeeze me too hard, cause I will burp. Hello, owl. Hello. Da mama. Da mama. Hello. Show me. Show me. Show me. Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? Poor mama. That's a poor mama. Oh, I love you. I love you. You're so good. Hello. Hello. Spoily. Spoily. What? 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 Oh my God. It's the little tongue's attack. We're making a little wee. Stop it. Stop it. They are fat, happy babies. Fat, happy babies. That's for the horsey. It's not for you. Hey, Julie's girl. Hey, Julie's girl. Tata Tika. Tata Tika. No, mommy. No, mommy. Tata Tika. Julie's girl. Come on. Uh-huh. So naughty she is. Such a cute star. Such a cutie. Okay, now mommy's trying to have some treat, some eating, some bread dipped in soup until the food is done, until the rice, because today we're cooking again. It's rice with meat, so it's going to be a very nice dinner for everybody. Okay.